Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices, power on the car, and unlock your Motorola. Plug in a high-quality USB-C cable to the car's designated USB port. Why? Because data transfer is required for Android Auto. Once connected, watch for a prompt on your phone asking to allow access and enable Android Auto. Grant permissions for location, microphone, and files. Make sure Bluetooth is active so the phone and head unit can negotiate features. This first step establishes the secure link you'll build on. Once done with the physical connection, configure the Android Auto experience on your Motorola. Open the Android Auto app and follow setup prompts to select navigation and voice options. This tells the system how to route audio and notifications. Make sure to set default apps for maps and calling so actions trigger correctly. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, enable wireless projection and pair Bluetooth. Otherwise, leave wired mode active. These middle steps finalize permissions and app mappings that control behavior while driving. To complete setup, test core features. Ask Google to navigate, make a call, and play audio so you confirm microphone and steering controls work. If something fails, restart your Motorola and the car's infotainment, then replug using another USB port. Intermittent faults often stem from cables or ports. Make sure both phone and head unit firmware are current. If problems persist, clear the Android Auto app cache or reinstall the app. This often resolves corrupt settings and restores normal connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.